Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Nokia G11. So first of all, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search button and enter Firefox browser. Like this. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Here we need to customize it, so first pick the theme for this app. You can choose light or dark or set it automatic. Change the toolbar placement from bottom or top. Change always on privacy settings from standard to strict or from strict to standard. You can sign up in order to synchronize other Firefox using devices and read this privacy notice. After all that, click on start browsing and here we can enter any website and our browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.